how to turn on full screen on Opera Mini app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on full screen on Opera easily. So first thing, go to Opera Mini. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go down and click on this little option and click here on settings. Now scroll down until you find the full screen option, and right here, as you can see, you can enable it as you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.